How to make moinmoin with a plastic plate. Hello lovelies, good day. This is your Jebu girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making moinmoin with our plastic plates. So what we are going to do now is we are going to measure our beans. Let us measure 4 cups of beans. Then we are going to pour some water into the beans to make it soft a bit. This is for easy removal of the bean skin. Afterwards, we'll pour the soaked beans into our blender like I'm doing now. Don't mind my daughter here, please. She came into the kitchen to give me a helping hand. Making moinmoin always takes a lot of time and energy. So we have to pour the beans into the blender. You know how NEPA used to play with our power, the electricity, switching on and switching off. That is what we are going to be doing with our beans in order to peel the skin off. So gently and simultaneously, we are going to peel off this bean skin. We are done with the peeling now. So the next thing for us to do is to pour the beans into a bowl and we'll give the beans a thorough wash. Our beans need to be thoroughly clean. Our beans is almost clean. Our beans is clean now. So we are going to pour in our pepper, tatashe, atarodo, and some onions. Then we shouldn't forget our dry crayfish too. Everything is going into the beans to make a fine and good puree. We are going to portion the beans, onions, and pepper into the blender now. Okay, now let's blend them all into a puree. So our beans is blended. Now we need to pour into our big bowl like I'm doing so. I'm so sorry, I forgot to film how I pour the vegetable oil, salt, curry, thyme, and 1 raw egg into the puree because I was talking with my daughter. She must be caned for distracting me. Don't mind us, Biko. So we're going to pour in the seasoning cube. The cubes were so hard, so we need to break them into the puree. We are using 2 cubes here. Now, let us combine all the ingredients together by giving it a very good mix. We are now going to portion the beans puree into the plastic plates. We boil the fish and the egg and dice into bite sizes off the camera in order to save time because I don't want the video to be too long. We are going to be using the steamer for our moinmoin today, lovelies. The plastic plates are well arranged now in the steamer, as we can all see. Let us now cover for them to cook very well for like 20 minutes. And wow, our moinmoin is ready. Oh, sharply. Can we all see what our moinmoin is looking like? Looking pretty and yummy already. Time to taste. Person wey cook must eat abi now. Our special hug goes to Ibidun Alonge. Thanks for engaging and watching our video right from Canada. God bless you, sis. So let me know where you are watching from, which country and which part of Nigeria you are watching from, so that I can send my special hug to you on my next video. Bye everyone.